I suppose you have some links and techniques. Yeah, I'm going to share, right? In that
Yeah,
sense.
I will be putting the link up here, and I'm putting a QR code to a link of a video there of this technique called the Cortices Technique. Basically, it's certain tappings that you can do, and you can do it once a day if you want. Sometimes I even do twice a day. It depends on your needs, but if you do once a day, the idea is you're helping the body calm down. Again, I love my computer analogy. It's like if we use a computer, it would be nice for us to do a reboot or reset to a computer on a regular basis. Just like us, right? We stress and then we don't know, so that it's not cluttered, and we, help things to calm down, clear off whatever is necessary.
Yeah, if this is not calm, you're not able to listen to hear as well, right?
Exactly,
So it has to be
exactly.
calm,
Correct.
very
So you
calm,
need
in
to
balance.
so-called shut down. It's even like you wanna pump petrol in your car. You need to turn off the engine.
Yeah.
You need to repair your machinery. You got to switch off
Hmm.
the cable. So same with the mind, the head or the brain. The Cortices technique helps to do a reboot, so that it helps to calm it down, so that the self-healing mechanism can be working well.